Today I'm going to be unboxing the new FTF Gear Studio Condenser USB microphone kit with adjustable desk stand, shock mount, and circular metal stand. Now guys, I have been a student of full-time Filmmaker for over 3 years. I'm a huge advocate for what their brand stands for. To this day, FTF is still the best online course I have ever purchased. So I'm going to go into this unboxing review as biased as possible, but I do expect greatness from this team. I'll make sure to drop the link down below. So here it is guys. Literally this package has been sitting in my room for the past like week, 2 weeks now, and I haven't opened it because I wanted to do it with you guys. So go ahead and tear open. All right, let's check it out guys. Right out of the box, it's got the full-time Filmmaker logo. Over here you'll see got a couple things. It says I'll just read it. It says live streaming, podcast, recording, and gaming. Those are all the uses. USB connection, high sound quality, awesome. Now guys, I'm not like a huge audio guy. I don't know a bunch of like technological terms for audio, but I am a video guy. I know a good amount about video, and I'm gonna give you my honest review on this while I open it. So when I open the box, got this little hand flip user manual right here. And you got the pop filter. Awesome, it looks similar to the one I'm using right here. Put that to the side. Oh, that's nice. I like the look of that. Everything you need right in there. So see, we got the arm right here. We got the mic itself. Really, really nice. I love that it's got the full-time Filmmaker logo right there. It's really light as well, feels really good. Then you got the stand that connects to the desk. You guys can see an example right here, so how I have it connected and mounted. That's what this is right here. Looks like a few extra pieces for like the arm stand. Here we got the mic cover. It's a little bent, but we'll get it looking right. Another piece for the stick. Cool guys, so that's what we're working with. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up real quick and let you know my thoughts on it. So I'm probably not gonna use this like sock thing. I've never really been a big fan of it. I love the look of it on its own right here. It's just really clean. I love new stuff guys, love opening new stuff. So technical terms, this is called a C-clamp. Then we got the shock mount right here, desktop boom arm. So again, this is what connects the mic to it. The pop filter right here. Lastly, we have the USB cable right here. That's gonna allow us to connect this to our computer. It's got a nice little stand on the bottom of it too. So if you just wanna set it up, the mic itself without the arm, you can do that. So definitely high quality. This is nice metal plate. All right, so the first thing it wants us to do is set up the C-clamp. So you'll get your arm. This extends really easily. All right, you got the little pointy piece right here, and you're just gonna stick it on the C-clamp. There's a big hole and a little hole. Obviously use the big hole, that's what she said. And gonna open it up, twist it. There we go, and it secures nice and tight on there. Check that out, it's a nice grip. See, so this arm, it's got like the springs on there that's gonna open and close it, but you do have these things on the side that allows you to loosen it if you want it to move more freely, tighten it into certain spots. Let's check it out, got it nice and tight right there. And then guys, the way you connect it on your desk is you'll see it's got the C-clamp right here. You just gotta open this up, loosen it on the bottom till it's wide enough to fit your desk. Attach it on the desk. It's nice and attached. Let me show you guys that. So this is the one for the Blue Yetti. This is the full-time Filmmaker one. There we go, guys. Then we got the arm that comes out. All right, next step. This is the shock mount. And we're just gonna go ahead and connect it on there. Fits on nice and tight. Boom, we got this adjustable thing. If you wanted to, guys, you could just connect the mic itself onto this. I'm gonna use the shock mount though. I think it looks pretty cool. So I'm unscrewing this piece and just drop it in there. Then you connect, it's like a little washer tool. Get that back on there to secure it. Now, the last thing I'll do, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and put on the pop filter. This is a really high quality one. I like this a lot. I think it's definitely a little thicker than the one I have on the Blue Yetti. So we're just gonna go ahead and connect this off the shot, something like this. Tighten it back up, and then we move it over in front of it, guys, a few inches away from the mic. Here we go, guys. I got it probably 2 or 3 inches away from the mic. I think it's all set up, guys. Normally I would have it in the position where the Blue Yeti's at. I'm about to adjust things a little bit, but I just wanted to show you how I set it up. I really like it. I think it's really awesome. I think the last thing we gotta do is do an actual audio test. So as you guys can see, right now I'm currently using the Blue Yetti, which I'll also link in the description. Got this from Amazon. Now I'm gonna do a few tweaks and switch to the FTF mic. I'll let you guys know what that sounds like. All right, guys, so I just connected the USB cable all the way to my MacBook Pro. And then the app I'm using to record is Audacity. It's a free app you can get. This is how I record my audio. And then check it out, guys, right here. You can use the built-in mic or FTF Gear condenser mic. Awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and do a audio test, see how this works. All right, guys, so let me move the Blue Yeti. So here's the FTF mic. You'll notice there's a switch in there. Right now it's all the way at the bottom. We're gonna turn this up. And I'm gonna slowly talk into it more, talking into it more, talking into it more. And what I'm looking for, guys, I'm not sure if you can see that over there, but at the top, a little green bar that keeps moving up and down, I'm trying to get that to be anywhere from -12 to -6 decibels. Brought the mic up maybe halfway. So you see the line right there is about halfway. And I think we're getting pretty clear audio. Gonna raise it just a little bit more. So now you guys can see I'm talking to the full-time filmmaker mic. We're gonna go ahead and do the audio test. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. That was it, so let me know which mic you guys like more. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing review for the FTF Studio Condenser microphone kit. If this video was a little helpful to you or even entertained you, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I post weekly videos every Monday to help content creators just like you make better videos and get into better shape. I own a 6-figure video production company and also happen to be a certified nutrition specialist and personal trainer. So if you have any specific questions on anything video, business, or health related, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to respond to as many as possible and make some future videos covering the topics. See you next Monday.